Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, good morning, everybody. 5:44 on your Monday morning. Hope your day's off to a great start so far. Some of you I know are likely having to head out the door early to still make it to work. Just take it slow as you're heading out because obviously most of the roads are still covered and are still slick. Some spots better than others, obviously. When we get temperatures that are as cold as they are, the effectiveness of salt really starts to drop. That's the unfortunate part, and that's where we find ourselves. We're in that range. We're into the lower teens and even some single digits with some additional snow falling in mainly eastern Kentucky here. Again, highest elevation. But even down at the valleys, we're still waking up this morning over in eastern parts of the state to some light snow. It won't add up to much, okay? If anything, it does accumulate there, likely be under an inch. Now, look at this. You can just look at this and see the reflection off the roads with the street lights. Look at the ice. I mean, it is just, you can just tell, like, the reflection that comes off. So slick. This is over a bridge. This is on I-75. If you're going north and south through Mount Vernon here in Rockcastle County. Just off the interstate here, the road that goes underneath I-75, this exit. We're looking in the southbound direction here. The road just underneath, not as bad. This is over in Frankfort at US 127 at US 60 intersection here. You could see where they've plowed off some of the snow and sleet on the sides of the road, but because it's been so cold, it's hard to melt away with that salt, the layer of some of the ice that's underneath. 10 degrees here, 11 in Frankfort, 12 in Danville. Most of us are in the teens here. Some of the Mesonet sites do show basically I-64 north that there are a few areas that have dipped into the single digits. Wind chills are in the single digits for sure. Even some spots like Frankfort, Flemingsburg, and down in Monticello are feeling below zero. Let me show you. It's hard to see, but there's a clearing line back over to Louisville. And that clearing line will gradually move east, so we will see some sunshine as we go into the afternoon today. Hard to see because the cloud cover is so low. Here comes some clearing into the afternoon. Gradual process, but some teens for highs here. I think most spots are between about 10 to 16 degrees. That's where we are basically right now. Really cold air moving in here. As we go into tonight, single digits could go below zero tonight, but winds are picking up out of the southwest. So that gives us likely a wind chill tomorrow morning. It could be as much as 10 below zero, maybe even lower than that. But the wind in turn will keep actual air temperatures likely above zero in a lot of spots. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll likely make our way into the 20s, at least lower 20s. Here comes that shot of Arctic air today. Tomorrow, little reprieve, a little, because it gets us back out of the teens into the 20s. And then we see another little surge of colder air coming south as we get to the end of the week. So temperatures will likely be coming back down a bit before they go back up. So some flurries and light snow showers, most of the snow showers out east. I do have a low of -1 to around 0 here in the city. Before the winds pick up tonight they'll increase after midnight when the official low for tomorrow would happen. But before the winds pick up, when the sun goes down tonight, we could see some spots go below zero before climbing back up. Some snow showers here and there Wednesday, Thursday, not much out of that. Maybe some snow showers passing into the weekend and just staying very cold. All right, stick around. We're back.